Hi guys, so this is my analysis on US30. You can see US30, we are currently on an uptrend. Overall we are on an uptrend, and we can see, if I zoom in a little bit, we can see currently there is a breakout structure around this line right here. So we can see we are currently going to at least maybe around this level, which is 90%. We broke the trend line and we are retesting this trend line, so there's a possibility that we might just reject all this trend line and continue to push up and break structure to at least my 90% level right here. But let's see, that is my overall prediction. But let's see the overall my current prediction on the current price action. We can see, let me use a trend line here. We can see right at this level we are still on an uptrend, so I can say that we can, right here is a trickish area, because you can see it's on a trend line currently that bounces off. So there's a possibility that whenever it gets to this trend line, it bounces off. So there's a possibility that we might at least drop down a little bit to now see maybe we can continue to the upside, or it might just break the structure here and give us a bearish move to this target, this trend line right here. So that's also a possibility, because we can see there's a third touch here, so that can bounces off to like give us more momentum to push downwards, or to at least come around this level then push up. But because of currently I'm still seeing more of a buy move, so I'm going to place my fib level around for more buys until we break the structure, until I see it break this structure right here. Then that might indicate that we go down, but let's just go with the current flow, which I think it's more of like an uptrend currently. But we can see that it's been on a bullish move for a long time, so there's a possibility that we might just go down a little bit more on, and especially it's at the trend line, bounces of trend line, there's a possibility we might push down to at least this target to continue to the upside. So I'm thinking we might push down here, right here. It's around this trend line right here, and also aligns with my 61.8% golden fib level, to bounces off that area before we now continue to the upside. So that's also a possibility on US30. Let me go to the downside more and see. I can use my trend line on the current price action right here. Trend line consists of two touches, so we can see one touch here and second touch around this level to see what we can see. So I'm seeing it's coming down here though. Okay, use another trend line here. This is a breakout structure as well. This level broke structure right here. So that's why I like using trend line. Trend line breaks is it that make it a little bit, breaks the chart and makes it a little bit more clearer to understand. So let's see, now that we are currently so I can see this here and here, because there was a breakout structure around that level. So let me go to the 4-hour. Breakout structure around that level. So let's see what it's happening. So now, as of right now, I'm predicting it to at least come to this level. It has broken structure, and I'm not seeing any imbalance for it to retest though. So I just think it might just come down here and come straight to my negative 27% fib level, and also aligns with my trend line. Then we see how it's going to go. Either it's going to break this trend line, retest this trend line, and continue to the downside, because we can see right here there is a breakout structure. We can see this impulse right here broke structure and it hasn't retested yet. So there's still a possibility that we can just come here, break this trend line right here, retest this trend line, and come down to this target right here. Because of this zone, breakout structure around this zone, and it hasn't retested. So that's a possible retested that zone here. So that's a possible move for us to see, but currently I'm just thinking we might just push down to this trend line right here. So that's my prediction as of right now, and let's see how that works out for then. So I can just put here, that's what I'm thinking it might happen, because you can see a break of structure here, a possible retest, then a continuation to that, and that will determine what next to see. Yeah, so basically this is what I am looking at on US30, guys. Hope this is insightful. Please don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.